Hello. This is a tape recorder. It uses what they call an audio cassette tape. Like this. Yesterday's technology working today. When I hear a perfect sounding digital recording played with a movie that is in black and white and is supposed to simulate an old-time movie, it disgusts me because it sounds like shit. It sounds so good, it sounds bad. And it doesn't make sense. Here, I'm using a very inexpensive desk microphone in conjunction with the tape recorder to produce a sound that is more in line of what a movie might sound like. An old movie, a movie that had a poor transfer. That's what I like. So, the tape recorder, a fantastic invention. Give it a try.